Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make any iPhone keyboard larger. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first thing is just to disable the landscape option and turn your phone, and then the keyboard got a bit bigger. And another way is to go to settings. You want to go to display and brightness, and you want to go to text size. Basically just increase this text size, and the screen and text will be much bigger. Now this won't necessarily make the keyboard bigger, but it will help you see the numbers what you are typing out more clearly. And one more thing you can do is, if we go down to display zoom, you can have it larger text or default. Again, this will make the keyboard bigger, but it will make it easier for you to see the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.